Alright, hi, this is Mike from STO N SHO, and today we're doing a fitment on a 12 to 17 Maserati Quattroporte GTS. However, I believe that most of them are probably going to be the same. This was, prior to this, was a drill where you had to put just your own holes in and stuff, and we were able to get our hands on a car and make it so you don't have to do that anymore. So this will be a center mount, so it's going to go right in the middle of the car, and then it's going to be using 2 factory screws that we're going to take out and put right back in, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it gets done. So we'll get started. So just get underneath the wire. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is remove these 2 center screws. There's one right dead center in the middle. We don't mess with that. We want this one. We want this one. So we're going to go ahead and take those out. These are Torx T27. So we're going to go ahead and take these out and put them back in. I think I was over one, so it's going to be this one here, this one, and skip this one and this one. It's easy to do when you get underneath there to get a little offline, but anyway, we're going to take this one out here. There is like this plastic piece. It is attached. I don't know that all of them are loose like that. This is a 15, but it does stay connected. So we're going to take that one out, and then we're going to go ahead and take this one out. It's really bright right now, so hopefully you'll be able to see this underneath here. We got the camera so that on the other side, so maybe it'll help. So again, we're going to be taking these out. These are a 6mm bolt, so they're like really locks this thing in, which is nice. So you're going to take the factory bolt that you just took out, put it back in, make sure you got the plastic, spacer. I'm not really sure what that is, to be honest with you, but make sure that's in there, and then go ahead and start the other one. And we're going to tighten them up. Real important, start one side, then start the other side, and then start tightening them up. Don't just put one side in and tighten it down. Now you've got there's a shoulder on this fastener, and that's going to go, you want to make sure that the base plate drops onto that shoulder. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten them up. We normally film on the other side, so it's going to be hard for you to see obviously see the pole pin on the side, but again, because of the sun, I thought this would be the best. But again, these are 6mm bolts, so you can tighten these down pretty good, and there's no threat of like stripping them or anything. Alright, so that's down. You can see that's nice and solid. Now we're just going to take the front plate. And like I said, normally you'd be able to see, but I'm on the other side here. You just pull the pole pin, start the plate in until you get past the pole pin, and just slide it until it clicks into place, and then you're done. And then we'll show you what it looks like from the front once it's all installed. And there you go. That's the bracket. From there you would go ahead and mount your license plate, and then also don't forget you have to remove this prior to going into a car wash. The car washes with the big brushes and bristles will catch that and tear it off. There are some new modern ones that are touchless that just have the jets, and those are okay. So alright, there you go, you're all done. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.